In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email to a contact group using the autocomplete feature, fastest. If you've already organized your contacts into a label in Google Contacts, this method is the quickest way to email everyone in that group right from Gmail. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can send your message in seconds. First, open Gmail on your desktop by going to gmail.com. Once your inbox is loaded, look to the top left corner and click Compose to start a new message. A small message window will pop up in the lower right corner of your screen. In the To field, start typing the exact name of the label you created for your contact group. Remember, Gmail uses labels to group contacts, so this is the same label name you set up in Google Contacts. If you prefer to copy others without making them primary recipients, use the CC field. If you want to protect recipients' privacy so they can't see each other's addresses, use BCC. If you don't see CC or BCC, click their links on the right side of the To line to reveal them. As you begin typing, Gmail will show a drop-down list of suggestions. Look for the entry that shows a label icon next to the name you typed. That's your group label. Click it. Gmail will automatically expand the label into individual email addresses and populate the field for you. This is the autocomplete feature doing the heavy lifting. Take a quick moment to review the list that appears. If you spot anyone who shouldn't be included, hover over their address and remove it by clicking the small X. You can also move an address between To, CC, and BCC by cutting and pasting it to the correct field. This helps you control who's directly addressed and who's included for awareness or privacy. Now add a clear subject line and write your message. Keep in mind that when sending to a group, clarity matters. State the purpose up front and include any key dates or actions. If you're sending to people who don't know each other, BCC is often the most respectful choice. Also, avoid using large images or heavy formatting that might trigger spam filters when emailing multiple recipients. When everything looks good, click Send. Your email will go out to everyone attached to that label in one step, saving you time and ensuring consistency. That's it. You've just used Gmail's autocomplete with a contact label to email a group quickly and accurately. If this streamlined approach helped you, consider organizing more contacts into labels so future group emails are just as fast.